Hello and welcome to Sweetener BBQ. Let's make some rib tips on the web and go anywhere. Oh, I've got a piece of hickory and I've got a lit grill. I will lit it. It's actually the coals from the other day and I've just lit it on to one side. Oh, I have to move it around. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna be doing this low and slow. I've got some rib tips here that I seasoned with Jason Ganal's G-Que BBQ The Rub, and they've been lying in the fridge since this morning, and it's midday here now. So I got a probe in the pit and a probe in the thickest of the rib tips, and then I'm gonna just put a lid on. And after this, my neighbor is starting to make a lot of noise, so it's just gonna be my voiceover. Okay, so it's been 3 hours, or about 2.5 hours perhaps, and I've got some G-Que barbecue oil, which is really good. It's very low carb. It's only got like 2 carbs per 100 grams, and you just use little. So flipping the rib tips over, and then I'm just mopping them with some of this sauce. It's a chili barbecue sauce. It's really good. It says on the bottle that it's been around in Sweden for 50 years, which is very long, I must say. We don't really barbecue that much, or we didn't used to. Anyway, flipping them over, putting some on the top as well, and then continuing doing this another hour or so. So in total, unwrapped 3.5 hours, and it reached an internal of about 180. And then it was time to wrap them, as you can see here. So I'm just putting them on some aluminum foil, and then I'm adding a little bit of the sauce to this again. Of course, we need to add some cubed up butter. I don't know, this is about half a stick of butter with these 3 sets of rib tips. A little bit of brown sugar substitute. I'm using erythritol. And then some Frank's extra hot sauce. Dash of that. Some of the rub. A dash of that. Wrapping them up and then leaving them on the grill. The grill has been keeping very steady between 270 and 285 all day, and then 2 hours more. So this is about 5 hours, and they turned out really well. It looks like fish, doesn't it? And then I just fried some sliced zucchini and green beans in butter. Time for a taste test. There we go, some rib tips on the Weber Go Anywhere. Really tasty, really tender. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy these greens as well. Squash and zucchini and green beans. Thank you for watching. Bye.